guys, it's me, Let's Squish, and this is my first video, so yeah, and I don't even know why I'm wearing this hat, so, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you my favorite squishies, or my personal favorite squishies, okay, and I have them in this bag, which I got from Bicycle Casino Hotel, go, oh my god, I can't speak today, go to a bicycle casino. I'm not sponsored, but go to a bicycle casino hotel because they are amazing. Their service is amazing. The hotels are amazing. Everything's amazing. They even have Starbucks. Yeah, you heard me right. Starbucks. Okay, let's get on with the video. Okay, the first squishy I have, a couple of them are unlicensed, but it doesn't matter to me. The first one is this berry polar bear. It's really airy and soft and so rosy. The reason why I call it a berry polar bear is because it's a polar bear and it smells just like berry. Well, like a sweeter version of berries. Like, you know what I mean? Yeah. And I love it. I don't know how, but it doesn't even have any defects. Like, nothing. And I squish this all the time. And I'm surprised it hasn't lost the scent either. So yeah, the next one is oh yeah, this Gudetama squishy. It's not actually good. Well, I mean it is, but this is the unlicensed version. It's because they did have like licensed Gudetama squishies, but they're like for $20. You think I'm gonna spend $20 just for a tiny little squishy? Yeah, right. It is very soft, not that so resin, but I don't really care. It does have a little defect right here. But even though I just got it like 2 days ago, it's because I was just like squishing it. I don't know why. Okay, next squishy is, oh, it's one of my favorites. It's this Chawa Frenchie. Here's the licensing. It is. I don't know if you could see it though. Focus. You could barely see it, but it is there. This is the packaging. It says, do not eat. And it says Chawa right here. And I love the little hearts and the crown. And the packaging is adorable. It's to die for. Okay. The next squishy is a Punimaro squishy. I buy most of my squishies from this boy in my school. I don't know if he wants to be like named, but I'm just gonna call him E. So like E, he sells me squishies for really good deals. And this is a Punimaro it's a Punimaro Crazy Poo strawberry. It smells amazing. It smells like sweet candy. I could smell it all day. Actually, no, I won't, because then I'll get a headache, and I already have a headache, and I do not want to deal with that. Okay, it's starting to get hot because of the lights. Okay, and the packaging that he gave it to me, he lost the packaging. So he just gave it to me like that, and I'm like, it's fine, and he also lost the charm. I'm like, okay, and I bought it for like $2, which is amazing. Well, the first one is also like a replica squishy, like the Gudetama. It's this whale. Honestly, I don't know which whale it is. I don't know if it's Roxy. I don't know if it's Billy. I don't know if it's Millie, because it's Galaxy. I'm just going to call him Gino the Galaxy Whale. Actually, no, that sounds stupid. Sorry for my language. Okay. It is really soft, like one of my softest squishies, but it's not that surprising. It also has a couple of defects right here, and like on the corn. I mean the horn, why did I call it corn? Okay. Next, it's also a replica of a Cafe Dien squishy. Because like I said, they also had Cafe Dien squishies, but like $20, nuh-uh. This is it. This is really slow rising for an unlicensed squishy, and I know that's like, I'm not like trying to hate on unlicensed squishies, but like for a small unlicensed squishy, it is good. Oh wait, it's getting hot. I'm gonna change the lighting. Hopefully that's a little better. I'm gonna open the window a bit. It might make a little more noise, but I don't care honestly. But if the noise is bothering me, you could comment down below. Next is one of my first licensed squishies. It's this Yummy Luna. I'm still waiting for E to get a Yummy Bear. It smells like Mexican watermelon candy, honestly. And here's the packaging. It is amazing. It's adorable. It is crinkled, but I don't care. Here's the picture of it on the back. It says Punimaro. It says the Kitty Ice Cream Mermaid. It's a collaboration between Cream and Candy and Luna Tabby. And Punimaro, obviously. Here's this Yummy Bear and Luna Tabby. And this is probably my favorite squishy out of my whole collection. It's this, wait, let me read it. It's this collaboration between Mush, I think, and iBloom. It's this Tea Time Bear. It has like that buttery like popcorn smell that squishies usually have. The packaging is adorable. It's like I said, for the Chawa Frenchie, it's to die for. And it also says, do not eat. You know it's an iBloom squishy because the licensing says iBloom. I don't know if you can see that. It also says iBloom right here. So yeah. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Love Squish, out.